In this problem, a particle A is at rest and a particle B moves in a circle with A at its center. Now we need to find the particle A will appear at rest if seen from B, to move in straight line if seen from B, to move in a circle if seen from B, and to move in a parabola if seen from B. So we have a particle moving in a circle. That particle is B and A is the center of the circle. So if we consider at a particular instant at an angle theta, if V be the velocity of the particle B, then its velocity has two components. One is V cos theta, other is V sin theta. This angle is theta. So velocity of B with respect to ground at a particular instant, it is minus V sin theta I cap plus V sin theta j cap. This is the velocity of B with respect to ground, and velocity of A with respect to ground is 0. Now it is asked the velocity of A with respect to B, how it looks. So velocity of A with respect to B is equal to velocity of A with respect to ground minus velocity of B with respect to ground, which can be written as V sin theta I cap minus V cos theta j cap. This is the velocity of A with respect to B, and as it can be seen, velocity of A with respect to B is dr of position of A with respect to B by dt, and here from we can write r of A with respect to B, position of A with respect to B, is equal to integration V sin theta I cap minus V cos theta j cap dt. If omega is constant angular speed, so theta will be equal to omega t, or we have this to be equal to V sin omega t dt I cap minus V cos omega t dt j cap, or we have that to be equal to V by omega minus cos omega t I cap minus V by omega sin omega t j cap. That is equal to, if we consider r to be radius, then we can write a minus r cos omega t I cap minus r sin omega t j cap, that is equal to minus x I cap minus y j cap. As we can write from here, x to be equal to r cos omega t and y to be equal to r sin omega t. Squaring and adding, we have x square plus y square is r square cos square omega t plus r square sin square omega t, that is equal to r square. This indicates that the position of A with respect to B, this follows equation of a circle, that indicates that velocity of A with respect to B, the trajectory of A with respect to B is circular. It is similar to that we observe Earth rotating around Sun. As Earth rotating around Sun, but we observe Sun to rotate about Earth. So the correct answer in this particular question is C, that the particle A will appear to move in circle if seen from B.